Well, greetings subscribers, Lamborghini douchebag here. Yeah, I put this shit on everything. But we are at Boca Park for Espressos and Exotics. We got here early because there's an excessive heat warning again. I mean, yesterday we broke an all-time record. It was 117, I think it was, and 135 in Death Valley. So today, I don't know, I think it's only supposed to get to 112, 113. So we got here early because we figured, well, most people are going to get here and get out before it gets too bad. But right now, the parking lot's pretty much empty. I thought there was going to be more people. So this might be a very, very short video. So we'll probably, you know, cut this short for now, see what's going on. Wait till some other people roll in. I mean, Al's not here, the Vipers aren't here. First Ferrari just rolled in, so you know, normally there's 3 or 4 Ferraris, a couple more over here, Lambo row. I'm here with the cheddar wedge, but yeah, we'll see. Anyway, and yeah, always the bikes are always parked right here too, so we'll see. But yeah, it's a little pretty nice, very nice. Wow. And great until you get up here and see a motor swap. And of course, not a split window, but still. All right. C8s, this guy's usually, he's around. I don't know if that comes out right on the camera or not, because the color, I mean, it's like really weird. I mean, depending if I have my glasses on, it's silver, and then it's kind of silver blue. It looks pretty sharp though. Wouldn't have minded this color. And that actually looks okay with the baby shit tan interior. And then I've gotten some video before. This guy always comes out. He sells car covers, custom car covers. It's just a Fiat Pininfarina. You don't see these anywhere. And this has been on, yeah, several of my vlogs where everybody's always trying to figure out what's going on. He comes out to the car show and then he covers his car up. So again, I'll give him a shout out. This is phantomcovers.com, phantomcover.com. So again, they make custom car covers. So yeah, this is just such a strange little car. All right, yeah, it happens to me all the time. All right, well, yeah, and there you go. That's pretty much it. So yeah, I think we'll go catch this little skyline over here. I love the color, but yeah, it's pretty cool. He's been out before too. I don't want to get in the way of this guy. Man, if only I could find a car cover.
Especially now, everybody's got GTPs and GTSTs to find GTR parts. Now I can't fix mine. What do you think about this? Well, and this is RB25.
Oh, RB25.
Yeah, it's RB25 with, I think it's standard Nissan 5-speed rear-wheel drive. I mean, RB25 is a good motor.
Yeah.
You can put work into it and make it as fast as one of these.
How'd you find it?
Supercar?
Supercar.
Yeah. You can get the wheels or a cinch.
Yeah, I have them on order.
Yeah.
Are you ready for your Spider?
I've been waiting. They didn't even order it. My Spider. I'm supposed to get it.
He's so sexy, isn't he?
Him?
Well, this car's gonna go up in value.
Look at
It already has. They've gone nuts. These actually have overtaken 48 price.
How much did you get this thing for?
It's like 240.
240.
Yeah, they're going for 280. For the Spider.
Oh, wow. That's not bad.
And it's got a very rare interior. It's hard to get the burgundy. Yeah, I got a little pull on the front. You like that? Just my next thing I gotta do.
Okay. How many miles? You don't. What year?
2013. What's up, brother?
Man, look at this guy. He's got his
got way too
Ferrari.
much-
He's
got
got
way too much
he's got his Ferrari shirt, his Ferrari hat. He doesn't. He's not wearing his Ferrari shoes though.
Well, what do you have? Lamborghini, Lamborghini.
I don't know, man. I don't know what you're talking about. I know, that's what I do. Look, see, I got it. I got it.
At least
I got it here.
Yeah, at
you
least
know?
I have the car.
At least you can go buy that
No,
stuff.
You know those guys who have.
You can buy the
I got
stuff.
the T-shirt, but I don't have a.
I don't.
Harley
Yeah,
Davidson. I got the T-shirt,
yeah.
but
I got the
have
vest and the everything. Right.
I don't know. It's just. It's all.
Nobody wants to come out on a 110-degree day, huh?
No, I guess not. That's what we were thinking. I'm like, I'm gonna get here early because the place will probably be packed at 6 o'clock, and then everybody will leave by, by
I mean,
9.
it was hot
and
as
there's
fuck
like
yesterday.
there's like nobody here. Yeah, we set
I'm
a
like,
record.
I
It was,
am not-
it was like 117, 135 in Death Valley. 135 in Death Valley.
Dude. I was driving back from Huntington Beach, and I was like, oh, shit, this is fucking hot.
Couldn't you switch it around, God, please? Yeah.
Oh, man. Summers suck, you don't think?
I turned blue.
Summers suck here. But,
They
hey,
don't always, but yeah.
This is our worst right now.
Yeah, they had a photo of a guy in Death Valley, like one of the workers, 135, and he's standing out there in like boots and like khaki pants and like a overhaul like Dickies work shirt, and they're like, "Are you?" I hope he just ran out from inside the air conditioning real quick just to take that photo.
Right?
Nice, very nice. Well, again, slim pickings. So we'll check back in a little bit. All right. Well, I'm back, and yeah, a couple of the old standards showed up. And we got another 458 Spider rolled in. Not familiar with these people at all. Utah plate, so I don't know if they're just up here for the weekend. I don't think it's a rental. Sorry, did I say a 458? It's 488. Little newer. Yeah, pretty nice. Of course, the cheddar wedge. And this aerial Adam came rolling in, atomized. Yeah, I remember when those first came out. Remember at the pump track. Let's see. What else rolled in between then and now? Got this Alpha. Got the DB. You got this little Speedster. He makes the rounds. Yeah, trophy. That's the guy pretty much in charge of this event. And I already got you some footage of here. This car, yeah, again, my favorite hood design. And then I figured we'd swing over here. Yeah, Corvette row kind of filled in a little bit. He's got one, a couple others rolled in. But we're gonna get you over here. Check out the R8. I got you some footage of that just the other day at Ed Bozart. With the huge, big ass wang. This one's twin turbo. It's got the wide body kit. And it's gated. So, like it or not, but it's actually pretty nice. Sounds phenomenal. Carbon 65 has been out most of the time. Again, never understood that particular model or the reasoning behind it, but yeah. And then this is Bob. Super fast. Oh, he did get a Montana plate. So I guess he finally got his registration done. All right, so good timing, because I was going to end the video, but quick shout out to Alexi at Zenith Auto. This is his wife's Urus, and we'll get over here. He just got a new to him anyway, Zenith Auto sales. So Lambo Leo, we've known each other. We've known each other for a little while. I'm getting a video of his car real quick. So I guess he was just at a wedding in Newport and went to Ferrari Newport and picked this up. So everybody's liking the 458s now for some reason. And they're picking them up left and right. I don't know. This one's still, but yeah, there you go. So Lexi Lambo Leo, shout out to him. He's got a repair shop on the other side of town, Zenith Auto. I'm actually taking the Xterra there. Believe it or not, got 254,000 miles out of the original clutch, and so dropping that off Wednesday next week. Should be done Thursday, and probably gonna take the Z down there too. Having some problems, and just I don't have a bi-directional scanner, so I can't really tell which cylinder is giving me some problems, and otherwise you got to pull that supercharger off to start troubleshooting it. It's not fun. So anyway, I'm glad they showed up. I mean, kind of late, wasn't expecting them, but I'm gonna go chat with him, and we'll take it from there. Super truck. It was a super truck.
Where's that Velociraptor?
Yeah.
Where's
that? Where's the one that put him to shame? The guy ran it. Came in with the with that G-Wagon, the 6x6.
Yeah. This is King Road, just
where he was. Yeah, that's why I'm not parked over here.
Why do you put your Gallardo right here? Your Gallardo should be
well,
right next
because
to
he beat me to it. Whatever.
JDM.
Well, because well, that's it. It's JDM.
Honestly, the orange would look fucking awesome next to that orange.
Yeah.
Blue,
well, we
yellow.
gotta tell Token to get his car out. Yeah, move this thing.
It's like Clint Eastwood again. Get those
Get him off of my lawn.
YouTube will put that one out.
Yeah. All right. Later.
I'm still